Welcome to the interior of Exe Valley View at Chipspool. The main feature about the property is its location. Just glance over my shoulder here and you can see the magnificent Exmoor countryside. And we are within 20 minutes of Taunton, east of here. The location is superb. The property has just under 6 acres, gated drive, ample parking, and is huge internally. Take a look around at our video and you'll see the 6 bedrooms, the 3 ensuite shower rooms, the luxury family bathroom. You'll also see this huge open plan living kitchen dining room and the ever so important utility room as well. Underfloor heating, fantastic high quality floor covering, the best of everything on top of the views. Enjoy the video.